you're looking forward. No, Kath, let's hear a little commentary. We're getting ready.
It's all good, man.
It's all good,
man.
This is called peer pressure when you're a senior citizen.
Keen, you're ready. How about a big smile?
Ready?
We're having fun, huh?
I am.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, we got the guide's like into it totally.
Ready to fly. Yep.
All right, Marky. Nice knowing you.
Yeah. All right.
Ready to fly.
Have fun. You're the man, Marky.
Okay.
Lean your body to the left.
See you in heaven.
See you in heaven. There he goes. All right. Woohoo! And just like that, he's gone. All right.
Turn this rascal off. Tuck it away safely down inside. Okay, señor, amigo. Pura vida. Sí.
That's the idea.
Vámonos. The beer is waiting for you, eh? Cerveza is always waiting for me. Or vice versa. Jump. Your hands on the table. Both hands on the table. Both hands on the table. And jump. Oh. Alright, now put your right hand here. There we go. Front your legs.
Lean to your left.
Okay. See?
All right. Adios, amigos. And there he goes. All right.
Whoa.
Nervous?
Oh, no. You keep me nervous, too.
The other hand here. No, you're right. And your left.
This way or this way?
No, the other way.
No, you're all.
It's okay. It's okay.
What's all this?
It's okay.
Oh, it's
Don't
this.
worry.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay?
I got you, baby. Big smile, and away she goes. Woohoo! Let's hear it, baby. Okay, and just like that, she's gone.